Okay. This side of the camper is 2.5 inches low. I know you're probably not going to be able to see that on the app, but 2.5 inches. This side needs to come up. So
you can't.
I'm going to use these leveling wedges. Makes it really easy. All right, we'll put that one there, and then put this one right here, right in the center. Make sure it's square. All right, now I'm going to drive up on them. I'm going to drive up, and while I'm driving up, I'm going to be watching this app, and it'll, in real time, tell me when zero's at. So just show them that right there.
Okay. It's kind of hard to tell. It's all dark. Perfect.
Looks like it worked.
It did work.
I'm at 0, 0 on the sides now.
So that worked perfectly then.
Oh yeah, it just makes it easy. And so stick the other wedges in the front of it right there.
I don't know if you can see any of this.
Just like that. All right. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and chalk them. I'm gonna put the X chalks on there so that they don't, nothing rolls once we disconnect it.
Look how cute this is. Almost fell down right there.
I'm just putting the chalks on first. And then I'm gonna, this is going downhill. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just, I've been using these once you disconnect. We'll put the chalk on the other side there.
And these really also help with the movement inside.
It keeps the trailer from rolling forward and back. Whenever you're walking around, just the wedge chocks on the ends aren't good enough to keep the trailer from rolling. So this right here not only chalks the tire, it also keeps it from rolling, moving that way. So I'll usually leave that there because after they cool down, they're going to shrink just a little bit, and then I'll snug those back up. All right, I'm going to finish unhooking and getting it level.